Welcome to Cooking with Glenn and Katie. Today we have a special cookie that we're going to make. Lincoln told me what kind he wanted, and I'm going to let him tell where he came up with the idea and where we were. And then we'll get started. Hey Lincoln, where do I buy the ices for you?
Karen's.
Do you like icy?
Yeah.
And what's your favorite flavor of icy?
Lemonade, chocolate.
Yeah, lemonade. And what kind of cookies did you tell me you wanted to have today?
Lemonade cookies! Icy cookies! Make your day with icy!
Okay, so that's what we'll do. We'll make some lemonade cookies inspired by ices.
Does that sound good, Lincoln?
Yes!
We're making lemonade cookies. So we're going to use this lemon to go in the cookies. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to have to take this yellow part off the lemon. And to do that, we move this down like this, push it back, pull it back, and it cuts it off. This is called zesting. Can you say the word zesting?
Yes.
Zesting. That's taking the outside of a lemon off. So we're going to do this for the whole lemon. Let me turn it around. You see it's turned white. So we get the yellow part out and we're leaving the white in there. So let's do it again. You want to put your hand on there?
Yeah.
And then we're going to go down through here. There we go. We don't want to ever touch those things that we're sliding across because they're really sharp and they'll hurt you. So put your hand back on it. We're going to go through here and we're going to zest this whole thing. You're doing great. Can you feel it kind of rough? And when it gets smooth, it tells us that we've got that off. Okay, let's do it some more. Put your hand on it. There we go. And you can feel that rough, and then it gets smooth, and then we go to another place. There we go. We got it. All right, look at this, Lincoln. We've got it all white. It's kind of slick. And now underneath here, we've got some lemon stuff, the zest of a lemon. So you just kind of do that. See if it comes off. And I've got another tool that we're going to use to get it off too. So once you brush it off, now take this and go with it like that.
Really gently.
Yeah. Okay, we're getting all that we can. Okay, I'll cut this in half because we want to get all the lemon's juice that we can. And put this here because when we squeeze it, seeds will come out. So I'm going to squeeze it. And there's stuff coming out. In a minute, you may have something. Yeah, look at you see those seeds in there?
Yeah.
Look at all those seeds coming. So the juice is coming out, but also some seeds, so we want to catch those seeds. Now, I'll tell you a little trick, Lincoln. I'm going to take this lemon and I'm going to put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and then I'll get a lot more juice out of them. So let me run to the microwave. I'll be right back. It's been 30 seconds in the microwave, and look, I get more juice out of it. Look at that. Look at all that juice. When you put it in the microwave, you get a lot of juice. You see that?
Are we getting more seeds?
Yeah, you get more seeds too.
Yes.
You like the seeds, is that right?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm gonna do something else in just a minute. Let me get this other one. I'm gonna squeeze this one. It's smaller, so it probably won't get as much in there. Whoa.
It hopped off.
It hopped off. Look at all that. Look at all that juice. Okay. Now we got about a tablespoon of zest off of it, but if we look at this, if we would measure it, it would be about 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Okay, we got the seeds out. My last trick is I squeeze the lemon really tight. Whoa! I squeeze the lemon really tight and I cut some of this pulp off to go in the cookies too. You don't have to do it, but I like to get all the goodie I can out of the lemon. So that's what I do.
People, we're doing 2 cups of flour.
And this is self-rising flour. So go ahead and put in 1 cup at a time. That's 1 cup. And then we'll get another cup. So we have the 2 cups of flour.
This is 1/4 cup of sugar.
1 1/4 cups. That's perfect, Lincoln. Let's go ahead and get that added in there.
Okay. Go ahead and put that one in. There's 1 cup. Now we get 1/4 more cup. Oh, that's going to be sweet cookies. This is going to be a sweet and sour cookie.
This one's sick of butter, people.
Okay. Go ahead and put it in. I hope it unsticks. There we go. I love to see it bounce down there. Lincoln, where did these eggs come from?
Aunt Bessie chickens.
Yes, and pick 2 of them. Those are 2 you can get. That's one with speckles on it. Very good. Wow, I could hear that. And I'm going to break this. I'm going to break it up. And let's see if it's a good, oh, it is a good egg. I love that. Now, why don't let's just do 1 bowl. Yeah, okay, go ahead. Whoa.
That was the perfect
That
sound.
was a great sound.
On my fingers.
And look at it.
Not on my fingers.
There it goes. Yeah, it got on your finger a little bit. That's okay.
People, I will put 2 eggs on a bowl.
Okay.
Okay,
Be real gentle as you do it.
let's come over here. That's 1 egg. And let's get the other egg. And we'll get, there we go. We got 2 eggs in there.
So now we need to put a lemon zest in.
You want to brush it in?
Yeah.
Use the brush and brush it down. That's probably about 1/4. I'll tell you what, 2 tablespoons, 1 or 2 tablespoons. And you want a lot in here because that's what gives it the flavor. So we'll get all that in here. Oh, that's very good.
Almost lemon juice.
Oh, so what are you going to be adding, Lincoln?
So much lemon juice.
Okay, let's put it in here. Come on. That's going to give some good flavor too. Look at all that.
Good job. And now go ahead and start the beater. Just start it. Well, lock it first.
You gotta
That's
lock
very,
it. He has to
yes,
lock it
you know to
first.
lock it. Good job.
Okay, and now move it up to 1 so it's barely beaten because this is very important that things don't splash out until they mix up. That's the perfect speed, and the flour is not flying out because we put it in first, and so it's kind of weighted down. So that's a great way of doing it. And look at that all mixing up so well together. Let's move it up a little bit faster. Come on, Lincoln, move it up a little bit more. 1 more. There you go. Now, slow it down a little bit. Push it down a little bit. Okay. Now, I think it's perfect, so go ahead and turn it off. There we go. Work on that. Yo, that's great. You work on getting the batter. Okay, I'm dipping this in the water, and then I'm going to get a scoopful. I go like this. I go all the way to the side and slide it up like that so it gets the perfect amount. And then I'll squeeze it onto an X that I've got here. You want to try it?
Yeah?
Okay, there you go. Out. Okay, and go to the side and slide it up. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now put it right here where that X is and put it down on the bottom. You put it down here. Now squeeze it. See, and it stays down and it's perfect when you do it that way. Now we're going to put some glittery sugar on it. Look here, Lincoln. I'm going to put this down on top.
Okay.
And then I'm going to scoop 1 scoop. And I'm gonna do the first one. 1 scoop of sugar, and I'm just gonna sprinkle it back and forth like that. And what happens is, look how it fills it up.
Okay.
And it doesn't go all over the place.
That's your turn, Lincoln. So do 1 scoop of sugar.
Now, fill it up to the top. There you go. That's good. That's good. You don't have to. There you go. Perfect. And it's kind of wiggle back and forth. Okay.
Good job.
On this next one, wiggle back and forth with it. Wiggle back and forth to cover the whole thing. Okay. Very good.
Excellent.
Okay. And we can put one right here. Wiggle it back and forth. Oh, that's the best. That's so good. It's covering the whole cookie and going back and forth, back and forth. Okay, we got one more cookie to do. This is the cookie right here. Very good. So now you see most of it is on the cookie, but when it spreads out, these cookies spread out a whole lot, and it's going to be perfect. So we won't have any crystals on here. It'll all become part of the cookie. These cookies will spread out. That's the reason we don't have 6 on here. And I'm gonna put it in the oven at 350 for 12 minutes. It's already preheated, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in. It's been 12 minutes, so let me take the cookies out of the oven. Here we go. They should have just a little bit of brown on the outside. You can see they've got that. I let the cookies set for 5 minutes after they came out of the oven, and now I'm transferring them to the cooling rack. I like a metal spatula because it goes right underneath the cookies and it comes out very clean. Look how pretty these are. They're all about the same size. They do spread out a little bit, and if you notice, there are a lot of sugar crystals on top, so they glisten a little bit.
Sometimes the cookies don't come out completely uniform, such as this cookie right here. But if you want them to be completely uniform for a party, all you have to do after they're done cooking is take a cookie cutter, and I'm actually using the opposite side. I'm using the side that is just a pure circle, and you put it right on top and just push it straight on down. And it's there, it's perfect. I'm just gonna pop it back out. 1 second. There we go. And look, you have a perfectly uniform cookie. And my favorite part is I get to enjoy the little crumbles that are left behind. Hey Lincoln, now that you've taken a bite of the cookie, what do you think of the cookie?
Good. It really lemon. It don't taste my mouth. It don't take off my mouth.
It doesn't take off your mouth, so it's not too sour, you're saying?
Yeah.
But it tastes like lemon?
Yeah.
Does this taste like an icy lemonade cookie?
It's not yucky.
Not exactly.
Yeah, not yucky.
What does it taste like instead?
It tastes like white lemonade.
It does taste like lemonade. Okay, so it's a winner?
Huh?
Yeah. Well, enjoy your cookie. Now it's time for my taste test. Look at this beautiful cookie. Oh my goodness, and it smells incredible. Oh, the house is filled with the perfect smell of lemon. I cannot wait to try this. Wow. That's incredible. The sugar on top gives a nice crunch, but it is so soft and delicious on the inside. And that lemon, you taste the strong flavors of the lemon zest and the lemon juice, but it's not artificial, it's completely natural. Oh my goodness, so it just tastes so superb. The sugar balance is perfect. It's not too sweet, but it's not unsweet. It's, oh my goodness, wow. This is incredible. Probably my favorite cookie I've ever had in my life. That's unbelievable. This lemonade cookie is truly my new favorite cookie of all time. So definitely try making them. They're delicious. I know I'm gonna go eat this now, but thanks for watching my taste test. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and comment below. If you haven't subscribed, please be sure to do so, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you're updated on all of our new videos. And we will see you with our next one. See ya.